until 6:45 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Millwood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Georgia: Atkinson and Ware. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carter County in southeastern Missouri, northeastern Ripley County in southeastern Missouri, west central Butler County in southeastern Missouri, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Budapest, or 10 miles northeast of Doniphan, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Budapest, Fair Dealing, and Milltown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Butler, Missouri. Warning in effect from this afternoon to early Wednesday morning replaces river flood advisory. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? White River at Augusta. When? From this afternoon to early Wednesday morning. Impacts: at 26.0 feet, farm ground along the river in White and Woodruff counties begin to flood. Seasonal agricultural impacts. Additional details: at 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday, the stage was 25.6 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon, Sunday, May 31st, to a crest of 26.5 feet tomorrow morning, Monday, June 1st. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 26.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 6:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m.
That's a fail.